Have you ever wondered why, even though you walk every day, your legs still feel weaker, or it's harder to climb stairs than it used to be? You're not alone. Many seniors believe walking alone is enough to keep their muscles strong. But science tells a different story. What if I told you that while walking is great for your heart, it does little to stop a condition called sarcopenia, the silent muscle loss that starts after age 40 and speeds up after 60. Every year, millions of older adults lose strength not because they're inactive, but because they're doing the wrong kind of activity. Walking burns calories, yes, but it doesn't build muscle mass. Without the right kind of movement, the muscles that protect your joints, your balance, and even your independence slowly fade away. And here's the surprising truth. You don't need a gym or heavy weights to fight back. In this video, we'll uncover 2 simple home exercises, backed by real research, that can stop sarcopenia in its tracks and even reverse muscle loss. These movements take just a few minutes a day, can be done safely at any age, and might be the key to staying strong, steady, and independent well into your 80s and beyond. If you've noticed your legs feeling wobbly, your arms losing tone, or your energy dipping after everyday chores, this is your moment to change that. You'll see how just a few targeted moves can reactivate dormant muscles and restore your strength, even if you haven't exercised in years. Before we continue, kindly tap the subscribe button on your screen. Joining our community means you'll get weekly, doctor-reviewed videos just like this one, designed to help you live stronger, move better, and age with confidence. Welcome back to Senior Health Tips, the place where we make healthy aging simple, practical, and backed by science. I'm Dr. David, and today we're going to talk about something every senior deserves to know: how to protect your muscles as you age. Most people believe that daily walking is enough to maintain strength. Walking is good. It keeps your heart healthy, your joints mobile, and your mind clear. But here's the truth that many overlook. Walking does not build muscle. In fact, if it's your only form of movement, it can leave your muscles underworked and unprotected. And when those muscles weaken, everything from balance to posture begins to suffer. This progressive loss of muscle is called sarcopenia, and it can creep up quietly. You might start noticing that getting out of a chair feels harder, carrying groceries tires you more quickly, or your steps feel less steady. These aren't just signs of getting older. They're signs your muscles are asking for strength training. The good news: you don't need a gym membership or complicated equipment. Science shows that even short bouts of bodyweight exercises can significantly rebuild muscle and improve stability. Today, we'll explore 2 of the most effective home exercises you can start right now to reverse sarcopenia and regain your strength. By the end of this video, you'll understand why these simple moves outperform walking when it comes to muscle preservation, and how they can help you feel more capable, confident, and independent in everyday life. If you're ready to take charge of your strength again, stay with me. Let's start rebuilding your body from the ground up. Before we begin, don't forget to tap subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our weekly health tips. Exercise 1. Chair squats. The secret to rebuilding strength and stability. If there's one movement that can completely change how you move, stand, and feel, it's the chair squat. Don't let the name fool you. This simple exercise might just be your most powerful tool against muscle loss and weakness caused by sarcopenia. Here's how it works. Start by sitting on a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor, about shoulder width apart. Cross your arms over your chest or place your hands lightly on the edge of the chair for support. Then, push through your heels, lift your body upward until you're standing tall, and slowly lower yourself back down. That's 1 repetition. Simple, but powerful. What's happening inside your body when you do this is remarkable. Each time you stand up and sit down, your thighs, hips, and glutes engage to lift your body weight. These are your foundation muscles. They stabilize your spine, support your joints, and keep your balance steady. As we age, these are the exact muscles that weaken first. When they fade, even simple movements like climbing stairs, getting out of a car, or standing after watching TV can feel harder. But when you strengthen them, you're not just improving your physical ability. You're reclaiming your independence. The science backs this up. Studies published in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy found that older adults who practiced controlled squats several times a week improved leg strength by over 25% in just 1 month. That's a huge difference in how you move, react, and live. Now, don't rush it. The goal isn't to move fast. It's to move right. Keep your back straight, chest up, and lower yourself slowly until your thighs are almost parallel to the floor. Feel your muscles working as you rise. Each repetition builds control, confidence, and strength. You might start with just 5 repetitions a day. That's perfectly fine. Over time, work your way up to 10 or even 15. What's important is consistency. The beauty of the chair squat is that it doesn't require equipment, and you can do it anywhere, while watching TV, after your morning coffee, or before bed. As you continue, you'll notice something subtle but life-changing. Daily movements begin to feel easier. Standing from a couch won't take as much effort. Climbing steps won't leave you breathless. And your balance, that quiet guardian of independence, will start to feel more natural and steady. Every chair squat is a message to your body. I'm still strong, and I'm not done yet. Now, before you move on, here's your challenge. Try just 1 set of 10 squats today. Feel your muscles engage and take note of how your body responds. It may feel a little tough at first, but that's your body waking up again. Have you ever tried chair squats before? Let me know in the comments below. How many can you do comfortably? Sharing your progress helps others see that it's never too late to start rebuilding strength. Exercise 2. Wall push-ups. The forgotten fix for upper body and core strength. Now that you've woken up your legs, let's talk about your upper body. Your arms, shoulders, chest, and core. These muscles are vital for everyday strength, yet they're often overlooked. Many seniors lose power in these areas, and it shows in subtle ways. Opening jars becomes harder, lifting groceries feels heavier, and pushing yourself up from bed takes more effort than it used to. The solution isn't complicated. It's the wall push-up. Here's how to do it safely. Stand about arm's length away from a sturdy wall. Place your palms flat on the surface at shoulder height, fingers pointing upward. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, your back straight, and your core engaged. Slowly bend your elbows to bring your chest toward the wall. Then push back to your starting position. That's 1 rep, and every rep builds the foundation of strength your upper body depends on. Wall push-ups are ideal for us seniors because they remove the strain that traditional floor push-ups place on your wrists and shoulders. You still activate the same muscle groups, your chest, arms, shoulders, and core, but in a safe, joint-friendly way. And by using your own body weight, you're giving your muscles exactly the resistance they need to grow stronger naturally. Here's what science tells us. Consistent upper body training like wall push-ups helps maintain muscle mass, improve circulation, and boost coordination. In one study published in Age and Aging, participants who practiced resistance exercises 3 times a week regained measurable muscle tone and strength, even after years of decline. The best part, wall push-ups also engage your core. that deep layer of muscle that supports your spine and helps prevent back pain and falls. You'll notice your posture improving and your movements becoming more fluid after just a few weeks. Start small. Try 5 repetitions, rest, and then add more as you gain confidence. The goal is control and consistency, not speed. Over time, aim for 2 sets of 10 reps a day. Within a few weeks, your arms will feel stronger, your core will tighten, and you'll move with more energy and ease. This exercise also carries a quiet mental benefit. It reminds you of your own capability. Each time you push away from that wall, you're not just working muscles. You're pushing back against weakness, fatigue, and the myth that aging means losing strength. So here's your friendly challenge. Find a wall today and do a few push-ups. Feel your muscles engage. Feel that control returning. That's your body thanking you for taking the time to rebuild it. After trying wall push-ups, how did they feel? Were they easier or harder than you expected? Let's talk about it in the comments below. Your story might motivate someone else to start today. Now that you know how to do chair squats and wall push-ups safely, here's how to bring them together into one powerful 5-minute daily habit. Your muscle revival routine. This short routine is designed for anyone who wants to rebuild strength, stability, and confidence without long workouts or special equipment. It targets the 2 areas that matter most as we age: the legs, which keep us mobile, and the upper body, which keeps us independent. Together, they form a complete system to fight sarcopenia right at home. Here's your plan. Start with 10 slow chair squats. Focus on keeping your movements controlled and your breathing steady. Inhale as you lower down. Exhale as you rise. After you finish, rest for 30 seconds, allowing your heart rate to return to normal. Then, move to 10 wall push-ups, keeping your body straight and core engaged. Feel your arms, chest, and shoulders working together. Repeat this cycle once or twice, depending on your energy. That's it. Less than 5 minutes of gentle effort that sends a strong message to your muscles. Keep growing. Keep protecting me. The best time to do this is either in the morning, to wake up your muscles for the day, or before bedtime, to boost circulation and relieve stiffness. The key is consistency. A few minutes every day builds more strength than an hour once a week. And here's a bonus benefit. This routine also helps with balance and posture. By engaging your legs, core, and upper body at the same time, you will naturally begin to stand taller, walk steadier, and feel more confident in your movements. Within a few weeks, you might notice you're getting out of chairs more easily, carrying groceries without strain, or even sleeping better because your muscles are finally being used the way they should. If you've ever thought, "I'm too old to start exercising," let this be your reminder. Your body hasn't given up on you. It's just waiting for you to wake it up again. What time of day do you plan to do your 5-minute muscle routine? Morning or evening? Drop your answer in the comments below and inspire someone else to start their strength journey today. So, here's your takeaway from today's video. Walking is good, but it's not enough. Walking keeps your heart strong, but it doesn't challenge your muscles the way resistance exercises do. If you truly want to prevent muscle loss, regain your independence, and feel strong again, the real solution is targeted strength work. Just 2 moves, chair squats and wall push-ups, can help you reclaim that strength. You don't need weights, fancy routines, or a gym. You only need a few minutes and the willingness to start. Remember, your muscles don't care about age. They care about movement. When you move with intention, they respond. Every repetition you do is a vote for your future. A stronger step, a steadier hand, a more confident you. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. Every time you stand up from that chair or push away from the wall, You're proving that your strength didn't disappear. It just needed a reminder. So here's what I want you to do. Start your 5-minute routine today. Do it right after this video ends. Take that first step toward rebuilding the strength you deserve. Which exercise will you begin with? Chair squats or wall push-ups? Share your choice in the comments below. Your story might encourage someone who's been afraid to start. And if you found this video helpful, please tap the subscribe button and join our Senior Health Tips community. Every week, we share practical, science-backed advice to help you move better, eat smarter, and live longer, all in simple, gentle steps you can actually do at home. Thank you for watching, and remember, it's never too late to rebuild. You have the power to stay strong, steady, and independent at any age. Until next time, take care of your muscles, and they'll take care of you.